In COVID-19 tonight, Pueblo County has released grim new numbers showing an alarming climb in hospitalizations and deaths, including the death of a toddler. KRDO News Channel 13 Sean Rice is live at the Pueblo County Health Department to pick up the story from there. Sean?
Yeah, Bart, there have been at least 15 COVID deaths here in Pueblo this week. That's compared to 22 in the entire month of September. Hospitalization rates here in Pueblo have reached 2021 highs. The amount of people needing extensive care has healthcare leaders concerned. At the state level.
And they'll wind up in the hospital as 1,100 Coloradans are right now.
And at the local level.
The problem we're having is that our hospital capacity is almost exhausted.
The Pueblo County Health Department saying Thursday,
our hospitals are at capacity, which means that not only is it difficult for COVID patients to have a bed, but it's difficult for patients who might be having a heart attack or have a trauma or others to have a hospital bed or intensive care availability.
According to the health department, there are 78 people in Pueblo hospitals with COVID-19 illnesses. Across the county, 35 outbreaks, 9 that are new this week, and 6 outbreaks linked to Pueblo schools.
It just reflects that we have a high level of transmission in our community. We've certainly seen this before where we have just a high number of outbreaks, but those outbreaks are really because people are coming to work sick, they're going to school sick, they're participating in activities and not taking the precautions.
During Governor Jared Polis's COVID-19 update yesterday, this chart showed Pueblo County with one of the lowest vaccination rates and the highest hospitalization rate in the state.
Around 80% of the folks who are hospitalized are unvaccinated. And so it definitely contributes to the increased hospitalization. Our hospitalizations would be much more manageable if everybody was vaccinated.
Currently, the mayor and the health department have stopped short of a mask mandate or lowering capacities in city buildings. But it's not out of the picture.
If it gets worse, then we'll have to increase the mitigation measures we take to deal with it.
58% of people here in Pueblo are fully vaccinated. That trails the state number of 61%. Reporting from the Pueblo Department of Health and Environment, Sean Rice, KRDO News Channel 13.